I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make egusi soup with spinach. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of egusi seeds, a generous bunch of fresh spinach, 1 cup of palm oil, and your choice of pre-cooked meats or fish. Don't forget onions, peppers, and your favorite seasonings. Preparing everything beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's start cooking our delicious egusi base. Begin by heating about 1 cup of vibrant red palm oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once warm, add your finely chopped onions and peppers, sautéing them until they become fragrant, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, introduce your ground egusi seeds, stirring continuously to create a rich, thick paste. This step is crucial for developing the soup's unique flavor. It's time to bring all the wonderful flavors together. Carefully add your pre-cooked meats or fish into the simmering egusi mixture. Then, pour in about 4 cups of rich stock or water, stirring well to achieve your desired soup consistency. Finally, gently fold in the fresh, vibrant spinach. Let the soup simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all the ingredients to meld beautifully and the spinach to become tender. Almost there. Now taste your egusi soup and adjust the seasonings as needed. Add a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, or a bouillon cube to enhance the flavors. Make sure the spinach is tender but still holds its beautiful green color, indicating it's perfectly cooked. Serve your hearty egusi soup hot, traditionally accompanied by pounded yam, fufu, or even a simple bowl of rice. Enjoy your homemade culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.